Just starting off with two basic points, sir. As you have told, sir, we have proactively done all the enumeration, security done, sir. We enumerated all the dargahs, all the churches and temples, sir. Among them also, we have prioritized everything. We have 16 important temples, 14 churches and 8 mosques and 22 dargahs. So this also we have prioritized, and every single SHO, sir, has already spoken to their managements. They've coordinated with the EOs of the local endowments, and they've ensured that they've visited all the temples and they've hands-on seen the place, sir. This was one point I wanted to flag, sir. We'll ensure that whatever orders have been done given from your side, we will implement, and will proactively deal with issues of security related to temples. The last point you stressed upon, sir, regarding the police station and the behavior of men, sir. One thing we could also focus, sir, is on the empathy side, sir. How do we imbibe empathy, sir? Other than the fact that behavior we could alter, the way we speak we can alter, but true empathy and true behavior will be altered only when this concept of empathy is imbibed in the last cutting edge grassroots level functionary, that is the police station PC or the home guard, sir. So that also we could focus on, sir. That is something that we at Guntur Rural also have done and put in a lot of effort in bringing about the change. So these two issues I just wanted to flag, sir. Good day, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vishal. I think you have already undertaken those orientation, sensitization courses and classes for your staff down up to police station constable level. Keep it up. You have some more refresher courses and continue with that. Okay? So thank you very much. All unit officers and all officers, SHOs and above of Andhra Pradesh Police, let us take this pride of resolving that we will not let such kind of situation go out of hand. Let us all individually and collectively make sure that if at all such situation arises, despite all the preventive measures, proactive measures that we have taken, we will be in a position to quickly respond, quickly resolve and quickly dissolve such kind of situations from flaring up unnecessarily. We shall also remain very firm in dealing with those who are deliberately trying to disrupt such an incident or a situation. And we shall also involve all stakeholders, involve the community in this initiative in times to come. And we also take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to bring about change and transformation in our attitude, in the manner in which we do our duties and engage and interface with the citizens. It has to be a friendly policing, which our Honorable CM had reminded us, told us right from the first time, the first meeting that we had, the SPs and collectors meeting, that we should be seen to be with a smile, receiving citizens. Receive cheyadamu. So that we reaffirm, and we also would like to make it as a trademark of AP Police. So friends, I'm very confident that all of you will individually and all of us collectively will be able to achieve our goals and objectives. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.